How to find appearance settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub. Here is it. And then click these three lines here and click settings. Then click appearance and that's it. As you see here, you can manage appearance settings and it's easy. You can manage here anything you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.